Finding the right phone plan often comes down to price, coverage, and how simple it is to use. Today we're comparing Google Fi and Mint Mobile, two budget-friendly carriers with different strengths. Which one's better for you? So Google Fi focuses on flexibility and global coverage, switches between T-Mobile, US Cellular, and Wi-Fi hotspots to keep you connected. Plans start with pay-as-you-go and go up to unlimited, with free international data in over 200 countries. It is absolutely perfect for frequent travelers or those who want plug-and-play simplicity. But the catch is, costs can climb quickly for heavy data users, and customer support leans more towards digital channels than hands-on help. As far as Mint Mobile, it's all about value. It runs on T-Mobile's network and offers some of the lowest rates in the industry, especially if you prepay for 3, 6, or 12 months. Speeds are solid, and plans include free calling to Mexico and Canada. But international coverage is limited compared to Google Fi, and prepaying for months at a time can feel like a commitment if your usage changes. So if you travel often and you want seamless global coverage, Google Fi definitely wins. But if you want one of the most affordable plans in the US and don't mind prepaying, Mint Mobile delivers serious savings. So which one's your pick? Google's flexible coverage or Mint's unbeatable pricing? Drop your choice in the comments, and if you want me to compare Visible or US Mobile next, let me know, and I'll catch you in the next video.